Hello everyone, this is lesson number 46, HSK free, chapter 16. And let's start. First one for today is 皮鞋 leather shoes. P you can translate like skin sometimes, for example, body skin, but sometimes it's like leather. 鞋 is shoes. Because as you can see on the right part of this chapter, we can see two characters of soil, of ground. So you can imagine shoes we have two legs and two shoes for two. This one, 皮鞋 I wore a pair of leather shoes. 我穿了一双皮鞋。我穿了穿it's to wear something, for example, wear some clothes, wear some dresses. 我穿了 so we need to say I wore. So because 皮鞋shows it's a pair objects, we need to use pair measure word. 一双皮鞋双 it's a measure word for pair objects. As you can see, we have two identical bodies here. Maybe it's right hand character of hand, but nevertheless. 我穿了一双皮鞋。Never mind. Let's see next one. Leather shoes are very expensive. Shoes. 皮鞋很贵。皮鞋 leather shoes 很贵。Very expensive. 皮鞋很贵。Let's see next one. He buys leather shoes in the city. 他买皮鞋在城市里。he buys 他买皮鞋 leather shoes where 在城市里 in the city. 他买皮鞋在城市里。Next one is 城市 city. Sometimes it could be just 市 sometimes 城 but 城市 city. Mostly it's a big city like Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, or another one. The city is very lively. 城市很热闹。城市 city 很 is very 热闹 lively. 热 is hot, now is noisy, so lively. 城市很热闹。城市很热闹。Next one, I walk in the city. 我在城市里散步。I at the city, in the city, 我在城市里。Sometimes it could be just 在城市 without 里。could be together. 我在城市里散步。walk. 步 it's a step. 散步 it's walk. It's something like scattered, some not. For now it's okay. 我在城市里散步。The city life is very fast. 城市的生活很快。城市 city 生活 life. But we can see the because the describe the life. Life is which one? The city life. 城市的生活很快。very fast. 很快 it's fast. 城市的生活很快。 Next one, 帽子 hat or cap 帽子 Let's see. I wore a hat. 我戴了一顶帽子。帽子 hat 我戴了。As you can see, before we have Tron, it's to wear let's see, this one. 我穿了 I wore. And here's also I wore, but another word 戴。我戴了。That's because 戴 works with wear a thing that you can put on your body, like hat, like glasses, like some jewelry, maybe some necklace. Because pants or t-shirt, it's not on you, it's like part of your body. So mostly some accessory, some not necessary things like hats and glasses and so on. 我戴了 I wore, also you can say wear, but less wore. I wore 一顶帽子 it's a hat cap. 顶 here is a measure word. You can say 一个帽子 or 一顶帽子。顶 has a lot of different meanings. One of them is let's see. One of them is top. If I don't, let's see. Top, head, roof, ceiling, jack, cap, crown, dome, head, peak. So it's could translate mostly like top, but sometimes you get head. It's not head. It's a measure word for head. 一顶大帽. So sometimes one word could be big variety of translation. 我戴了一顶帽子. Next one. The hat is very cute. 帽子很可爱。帽子 the hat 很 is very 可爱 cute. Oh, it's life, it's laugh. 可 it's can, so can be laugh. Oh, 可爱 very cute. 帽子很可爱 Next one. He gives me a hat. 他拿帽子给我。他拿 here's 拿 here's he gives me a hat. Also could be he brings me a hat. He takes a hat for me, something like that. So 他拿帽子 he take a hat or he bring a hat for me 给我 he gives a hat gives me or give for me sometimes. 他拿帽子给我 here is 给 like for someone. 他拿帽子给我. Next one is 鼻子 nose 鼻子 sometimes could be also B, but not maybe like with some another word, but 鼻子 and this z is like create some noun. His nose is very long. 他的鼻子很长很长。他的鼻子 his nose 他的鼻子 and is very 长 is long. 他的鼻子很长。My nose feel uncomfortable when I have a cold. 我感冒鼻子不舒服。我感冒我感冒 My nose feel uncomfortable. When I have a cold. 我感冒. 感冒 it's to feel cold or to have a sick or feels I have a cold. So 我感冒. So sometimes it could be 我感冒的时候. 我感冒时 or like here just omit everything because it's maybe for optimization. 我感冒. When I feel sick, 鼻子 nose 不舒服 nose is uncomfortable. So my nose feels uncomfortable when I have a cold. It's a bit tricky here because mostly we can say 我感冒的时候我的鼻子不舒服 but here is very very concatenated. 我感冒鼻子不舒服 uncomfortable. Next one. She touches her nose with her hand. 她用手摸鼻子。她用 she 用 it's to use. So she use 手 it's a hand. So 她用手 she use his hand or she use hand. More it's to touch. Sometimes mostly it's to touch, but sometimes to feel, grab, stroke, fold or handle. But I think grab also could be. Feel also could be touch. But feel not like the silk has a soft, smooth feel. So when you touch it. So mostly touch. 她用手摸鼻子 touch nose 摸鼻子 So she touches her nose with her hand. 她用手摸鼻子 As you can see, in Chinese, we omit her. We just say 她. We omit, in English, we don't omit use, but here's 用. 手 hand with her hand. So 她用手摸鼻子 touch her nose. So as you can see, sometimes English can omit some words, sometimes Chinese omit some words. So you need to find this grammar difference and it will be easier to translate. 她用手摸鼻子。她用手摸鼻子 Next one is 刷牙 it's to brush one's teeth. So 牙 is a teeth or tooth sometimes. 刷 it's to brush. As you can see, here is a paint, swipe, scrub, brush. So could be different variety of things. 刷牙 to brush a teeth. Let's see. I brush my teeth twice a day. 我每天刷牙2次。我每天 I every day 每天刷牙 clean my teeth or brush my teeth 刷牙2次。2 it's 2 times 2 times or twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. 我每天刷牙2次。In Chinese, I every day brush my teeth 2 times. You can say. 我每天刷牙2次。Next one. He brushes his teeth very carefully. 他刷牙很认真。他刷牙 he brush his teeth. 他刷牙 and how? 很 is very 认真 it's carefully with very like seriously, carefully, consistently, earnestly, closely.
conscientiously,
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 conscientiously. 他刷牙很认真，认真 very carefully. So he brushed his teeth very carefully. And last one for today is after brushing my teeth, I wash my face. 刷牙后我洗脸。刷牙后 so brush my teeth and after that 后刷牙后 after I brush my teeth 我 I 洗脸洗 it's to wash something 脸 it's a face so 洗脸 wash face 刷牙后我洗脸 so after I brush my teeth I wash my face 刷牙后我洗脸 Okay, let's repeat what we learned today. It's not a big amount, but still something. 皮鞋 leather shoes 皮鞋 Next one 城市 city 帽子 hat or cap 帽子 And measure word, you remember 顶 But if you say 一个帽子 everyone also could be. Beads, nose, beads. And 刷牙 to brush one's teeth. Or brush your own teeth. And we have a new idiom for today. Last time we learned this. 亡羊补牢 Better late than never. Mend the pen after losing the strip. 亡羊补牢 This one is new for today. 鸡飞狗跳 What does it mean? 鸡 is a chicken. 飞 is a fly. Go it's a dog. And 跳 it's jump. What does it mean? Chaos, or uproar. When he gets home, it's chaos. It's chaos. Chaos, I think. Let's see. 他回家鸡飞狗跳。他回家 it's to return home. 回家 and it's chaos. 鸡飞狗跳 so chicken fly, dog is jumping, so everything is very very so this one is very 鸡飞狗跳 it's represent very very big chaos. 鸡飞狗跳 pretty easy and pretty useful, I think. 鸡飞狗跳 And that's all for today. See you next one.